What? Yeah. Okay. What's up, guys? Danger Team here. Garrett was kind enough to buy us another selfie stick. By the way, just for a little information, I'm not wearing lipstick, even though it looks like it. I was drinking Red Powerade and I even have proof. It's Powerade Zero, so it legit tastes like crap. It's not lipstick.
And maybe y'all can get sponsored.
You're the Powerade.
Nah. Okay. Also, if I'm talking weird, I had to go to the dentist to get some teeth filled, and that freaking sucked. Okay. But anyways, I guess we're just gonna be exploring some, not the woods that we usually go in, but some other places. I don't know exactly.
Here, go in. Go in.
Oh yeah, he needs you. Oh, never mind. Did you go in there? Sorry, guys.
Aiden might be back. I don't think he went in the car, but
Yeah, let's go get Aiden.
he did. His mom just said he has to get a coat, so
I know.
he might have not.
It's supposed to mean God, stupid son. Ah! We have a lot of haters. Okay, I don't know what we did. I think he sounds pretty good. But you know what? It really don't bother me. I really don't care. Because I know a lot of you guys like me. And like Aiden and like Marcus. Actually, pretty sure one of you guys commented in one of the videos that you're Marcus' cousin. So, it's cool. He's like the only one that comments on a video. I mean, there's actually a lot of other people, but he comments on a lot of them. Well,
Yeah, Zach said that was him.
oh. Yeah. Thanks if you're watching these. Just say you are.
Who?
Huh?
Who are you talking?
For one kid?
Oh, Zach?
Yeah.
Oh. He said he like loves her Jack. Sometimes Jonathan comments on it.
Yeah. Respect. Come on, let's go. This way. God, I wish we could ride. I wish I could ride my freaking bike right now. What? Oh, the selfie stick.
Where'd he go?
Uh-uh.
What we doing?
Come on, guys, let's go.
Wait, we don't go. Hey, David.
Huh?
I wish we could show y'all the puppies.
Oh, wait, I seen something whenever I was coming. Whenever he's riding back. I seen...
See me? See, take something channel.
Yeah. That was disturbing. Why? Why do you let this happen? Well, come on.
Road. Car, it's gonna hit us. This is the end of our channel.
Oh. It's like a mile away.
Ah!
Oh my God.
Oh, it's just dolphin. Green dolphin. No hands, that's awesome.
That's dangerous, but that was cool.
He got a quad in the back of his truck.
Because he's Kyle. Do you know how many of those that he has?
What?
Okay. Let's take this way.
Hey, where's Gert? He's coming.
Oh,
Dude, no, we go with my runners. No! Aiden, he caused an earthquake.
you're mean.
That was a joke. Guys, I'm finally
My mouth
wearing
hurts
James.
so bad. I freaking hate the dentist.
In a sweatshirt. There he is. There's Garrett. There's the man.
They can't. That's backwards on there. You okay?
Well, I'm sorry. It says
Here's Virginia Cavaliers.
Yeah.
It actually says UVA Wise Cavaliers.
Well, whatever. Same
Yeah,
thing.
I mean,
Hey, Gert. Come on, Gert. What doing?
come on, let's just go.
What doing, Gert?
It's a long walk, and we're already 5 minutes to this video.
Good thing about that, Mom. I ain't gonna worry about crap.
I should have never did that live video yesterday. That live video was so trash. Like, no one liked it.
Yeah, y'all, it's a waste of your time. Don't go watch it.
Unless you want to. It's just me sitting there arguing with my sister. And me talking to Aiden a whole bunch. I was waiting for people to get on.
And no one legit went
No one! No, one person. One person went off for 7 seconds. And he was probably like, ugh, it's boring. But, you know, our channel's still cool.
Yeah, that's why we continue it.
But he's not.
Hey, guys. He got some ideas.
Huh?
Turn got some ideas.
Who's that?
Let's do the floss. Let's do the floss, guys.
Do it.
What the heck?
Well, I can do it. I'm the best at doing it here, but
Go
I
ahead.
cannot do it. Wait, stop there.
You can't do it, Aiden. Okay,
Bring my
whatever.
arms back to her.
Who cares? Okay.
I can't.
Okay, guys. See these down here?
That's where we're gonna go.
But
This is not the woods we usually go in. We usually go in the one behind my house.
Guys, look at this.
Which also those.
We in the freaking Daredevil.
Liable. Okay. We usually go to the one behind my house.
Let's go down.
This way, guys. Here's a trail.
Go down.
But I just seen this trail whenever we was driving home.
Look, here's what's super
So, you know, I thought we'd. I don't know if you guys should comment down below what we should do because I'm not running out of video ideas.
Yeah, we're legit struggling on videos and ideas. Oh, so, dude. I'm trying to do this right here.
Where? It's down here. Ain't it? It's right here.
You passed it.
I can see it. Told you.
It's right here.
Okay, guys.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
I'm gonna just call this place.
The Gary York place.
I'm gonna just call this place Dead Dog Valley. Okay? No, it's not where we found that one dead dog.
Oh, we had to
This is where everyone comes to throw dead animals, especially dogs. Especially dogs. That's why I call it
Rest in
this.
peace, Clifford.
Yeah, we had to throw a dog in here. We had to drag. We had to drag it.
the lawnmower.
Yeah.
Redneck 2.0.
We Aiden had to drag it by its legs.
Dude.
Like a mile up the road. Go. Have you seen this?
Oh, what's good?
Aiken slaughtered. Oh crap, that scared its dad. I am a tree. God.
I am one with the ground. Oh, God.
Guys, I'm one with the thorns.
I am one with nature. I was born in these woods. Ew, thorns. Holy crap. Oh, there's footprints.
This is mine, stupid.
Oh, dang it. I thought this was going to be exciting.
Guys, we might see Bigfoot down here.
Oh my gosh.
Fat freaking bitch.
Imagine how many views we get if we spotted a Bigfoot.
That would be awesome.
Huh? Come on. Who's that?
Marcus.
Oh.
I'm going to just hold the camera like this. I don't know if this is right.
What happened?
Oh, I'm trying to let them see, but I don't know if I'm holding it right because I can't see the camera. I'm using selfie stick, guys, so.
Dead dogs anymore. And hopefully I won't eat it because I threw up for like 5 hours.
We at the bottom of the hill.
Okay,
Good.
2 trails.
This way.
The way that we usually throw dead dogs, or no, we're not going that way. That leads back up to someone's house.
Oh, yeah, guys, we forgot to tell you. We was over there on these big rocks over there, and it was pointy and everything. I don't know why we was over there. Do you remember?
Where the heck is he going? I don't know why we was over there, but
I don't know.
it was a high wall. It was a high wall, and we started. It was freaking huge, and we started falling off of it. And it was Marcus and Christian fell off. This is really steep. Wait, this is four-wheeler
rode our
tracks.
bikes down here.
This is four-wheeler tracks. Hey, Aiden, I found four-wheeler tracks. These are kind of fresh.
Yeah, Kyle comes down here a lot. See, look, squirrel!
Oh crap!
I see a squirrel.
Freaking Garrett.
Garrett's making his native.
Guys, I'm gonna fall.
I almost fell on you. Oh, shoot!
Fall,
No,
fall,
no,
fall, fall.
no. Hey!
What's up, guys?
Guys, look at Garrett.
I
Look at the camera with that.
know. Okay, guys, we gotta see Aiden.
Garrett got stuck.
We gotta see Garrett go down this hill. I want to see him fall so bad. Aiden, really? That's a walk down it.
When you know you're lazy.
Okay, watch out. Garrett's gotta come.
Aiden's like, oh God. Here!
Come on, Garrett.
Ready.
No, Garrett, come this way. It's a trail. That was the dumbest thing I've ever seen.
Walk right off of it.
It's like
No
suicide.
more grip, believe it or not.
Got him.
Come on, Garrett, it's a trail.
Okay.
Garrett, just come down that.
Savage.
Okay, guys. Oh, freaking stick. Oh, let's sure throw there. Footprints, big footprints. That's not Aiden's.
I don't think that's Aiden's footprint. That
Hey,
is
Aiden,
huge.
did you crack yourself?
Ah!
Nobody did it Payless.
Yeah, right in front of everyone.
Raven,
Move, watch this.
Oh,
Jumping over the water.
Aiden, wow, you're holding a log. Really? Yours didn't even float. Oh my God, Aiden, you crap yourself? Oh God, I hope we're not smelling a dead dog.
They better not be.
Oh God, that is a snake. Where is it?
Snake there. I was about to
Yeah, I thought it was.
roll, and then have a heart attack
Ah!
and die. That's the cue when you get a snake, my dude.
Yeah, I'm so afraid of stepping on him. Whoa, wait.
Unless you're like one of them wilderness masters and you're one with the snake.
Yeah, Brave Wilderness. What? I forgot things like cows. I don't know.
Well, Aiden's gonna shove you off of it. Well, then we lost Garrett.
Oh well.
Aiden, we lost Garrett.
Okay, guys. What are
Guys,
you?
that is one man down.
You did not just crap, did you? You better not crap. I got you on camera. Whoa. Okay.
We won with the matting.
Oh, I just found tons of dead dogs. There's 2 huge dogs in there. I found out what the smell was. 2 of them, Aiden.
Oh, no!
I don't think you can see that anyways.
I don't think they want to.
Oh,
found 2 gruesome dead dogs.
I knew it! Dead dog rally, people.
I knew it. I knew we'd find.
That,
least
guys,
one of them.
I just seen 2 huge freaking dogs running down there. There's 2 big black ones.
I know. Oh, it smells like crap.
It's dead dogs. What do you expect? It smell like flowers? What the
I
heck?
wish.
Raven.
Oh, dude, what are they?
Oh, that's just puppies. Oh, thank God.
What are those? Come on.
They're dogs.
Wait, where's Chase? Where's Chase?
Oh gosh.
Okay, guys, I'm going around the trail. No, it can't go around because
No, guys, there's 3.
Oh my God. I can't show these to you guys on
Look,
camera.
right
I'm afraid
beside the
YouTube.
other one.
I'll get in trouble for it.
Look, right over there. Beside that dead dog, there's another dead dog.
I know, there's only 2.
No, right at the other dead dog's butt, there's another dog. Guys,
Sorry.
where's everyone else? Oh, I thought that was close. That's Chase. Okay.
Oh, dude.
Mhm.
Those are,
Hopefully I don't throw up.
Those are dogs. Why is it always us that finds dead dogs? Maybe we should just call ourselves Dead Dog Team. I mean, like,
DDT. The unlucky dog hunters.
DDT. That's not.
It's 3.
they're legit 3.
Yes! I cannot be one with the
Oh my
hill.
God, one's under one.
Almost went down again.
Come on, Aiden. You can't show them.
I'm so confused.
Oh, 3.
Why do they all end up in the same spot?
Oh, James.
I see brown fur on that one. There's no way.
What?
Wait, no, that's not Sandy.
Whoa!
I was about to say, I thought that was Clifford, but no, we threw Clifford off way down the road.
No, dude, like, we threw him off like right here, but there's no way he rolled down all that stuff.
Oh,
No, we didn't throw him off right here.
No, dude,
We threw him off way down there because there's a whole bunch of.
we threw him off like Summer's right here.
We threw him all the way down there.
Don't you dare! I will throw up on you, dog.
Oh, you
Don't
try.
sniff a tiny end.
Oh, that's so gross, guys.
We're so sorry.
I want to show them.
Don't. Too graphic.
I'm sorry, guys. I can explain them to you though.
You can see the ribs, you can see the skull.
There's a backbone sticking out of one.
Oh!
The neck is twisted around and no. Looks like someone took a shoulder blade, twisted around, and then pulled it backwards, busting out the backbone. There's a dead one under the other one. The one on the top looks like someone took his legs and neck and folded it together, and all of his bones are popping out of his body. The other one looked like someone. The other one looks like someone
more
ripped
over
off
there,
his
isn't
leg.
there?
Is it really? Is it really?
Oh, what?
Oh my god!
5 times the size no.
How did you get up there?
Oh,
It ain't black.
Oh,
It ain't.
I almost fell on it.
It ain't no dog.
These are dogs. They have paws.
I got those dogs. Do you think these are Charles dogs?
no, dude, this is very fancy dog.
There is just a very huge carcass or bones of something down there.
Crap, this is a big drop.
I
Look
got
at it.
some ideas.
That cute. That didn't look good on here. Probably dropped your phone, maybe. Why do you see a huge carcass?
That's disgusting.
What do you see?
Yeah, where's this at? Carcass at?
There's one down here, David.
I won't go down too far because you won't be able to get back up.
Yeah, we will. Yeah, we will.
Yeah, we can go around there.
No, there's a way.
David, I know where we are.
Where?
We're right at my house.
Oh, God. This is below your house. Dead Dog Valley is below Aiden's house.
Oh, God.
Look at that drop.
Oh, my David.
That is big. Okay. We're okay, though. Not none of those stunt
I
people.
need some help.
If I was to do that crap like hanging off a building, I couldn't even hang off the roof of my house, okay? I would probably crap myself. Oh,
Spicy, bloody stuff. Guys, I can't breathe in through my nose. Good for you.
it don't even smell down here.
Guys, Aiden's a wimp, or Garrett's a wimp.
No.
You can meet us at our house, Garrett.
Oh, I see it. Ain't no what?
Oh, there's a path. We go down this way every time we do. We just went out the road this time.
I've never been out this far. I've been about, see that? About a mile up there.
Hey, Draven, do you see all that brush and stuff?
Oh, God.
That's where his gardener lives.
Oh.
Wait, put a blast on that Houston. I said Houston. That huge gravel thing.
Why couldn't we just make a video on basketball?
I know.
Like, why? Why do we have to come down here to these places? Why are we always the one that finds dead dogs? It's like
Why
someone...
couldn't freaking...
Oh, crap. Aiden almost fell.
I scared almost died.
Well,
Oh, God.
come on,
Chloe,
girl.
Chloe, thank Jesus he was there.
Aiden, how'd you do that?
I grabbed onto that little tree.
Ah, I've only got one.
get treated.
I'm sorry, guys, if you only see the
Grab
ground.
camera.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I can get it.
Here, how about this? I'll stretch
No,
this
guys, this is how we gotta do it.
Oh, that's a good idea. Hey, what's up, guys?
I did it.
What's up?
Great, I know how to do it. Stick my feet in the ground.
Really risky.
Okay, let's do it. Woo! Did it.
Not safe.
Okay.
That's not sturdy.
Yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't try to grab onto this if I was you.
Yeah, I don't
There's
do that.
Garrett up there. You can see him?
No,
can't see him.
definitely not safe.
There he is.
Oh God, guys, move, there. Oh, you're not touching it.
Oh, dude, I found a way. Yes, I know the way because I... Oh, God.
You're not going that way. Hey, what the heck are you doing?
This was the easier way. Huh?
No, don't.
Sorry.
Come on, Garrett.
Drake's dying! Damn it! Oh! I'm over here one-handing this.
Almost hit my foot.
Huh? Oh. Okay. Adidas. 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 We are officially in a pine thicket. Oh, Marcy's about died. Draven is dead. I don't see him anymore.
I see him.
Oh,
He got down.
see? Okay. Yes. Sort of. And then Jordan's looking for pretty trees. Trevor made it. There's Garrett. Got him. Yeah. Okay. This has been kind of weird and spooky. If I know the way, do you know the way? April Fools! Just kidding.
Okay, guys. We're 24 minutes into this video. Holy crap.
What video is it?
24 minutes. Guys, comment down below.
If you like these long videos.
Yeah. And also comment. Okay, I can't believe I'm saying this. Comment if you think that me or Aiden should be the cameraman. By the way, he's spelling everything D-R-A-V-E-N. D-R-A-V-E-N. And come on there. D-R-A-V-E-N. You spell Aiden with the A-D-E-N, which no one's gonna need to spell your name. No one's gonna need to spell your name, Aiden, because no one's gonna be picking you.
Because that one was like 30 minutes.
But we didn't get to post it. Cause yeah, guys, we went to some haunted cave. And it was, actually, I don't know if that did post. Huh? Did that post? I'm walking on some Balancing uncertain tree.
Walking on sunshine.
Not walking on sunshine, walking on death itself. Okay, I'm good. Look, it's just a trail. Okay. Alright. Oh crap, is he way up? Oh, yeah. Well, we will make a part 2 of this someday. Coming out here. And exploring the rest of this woods.
It's Woody Woodpecker. You hear that?
How many's got a place dead dog rally? I don't know what we. Oh my gosh, it's mud puddles. Okay. Oh crap, an abandoned bird. I mean, not an abandoned bird, but never mind.
What?
I thought it was a hurt bird. I was about to be a hero,
What is it?
but it was okay. Nothing. Okay, it's gonna be a hard climb with one hand, especially my left hand. Oh, bro. Everywhere. Oh, crap. We're blocked. This is blocked, my bros. We're gonna have to go through. This is the only way out. Okay, guys, this is gonna hurt. Look at this. All bros. You ready? Bad idea. Oh no! Oh, wait, never mind. Thought this was the way out. Oh! Let go of me. Oh, I made it, guys. Oh. Oh, God. Okay, guys, this ain't our house. Gotta be real quiet. Yeah, this is the only way out of this place. Guys, there's no way back up. I don't know who's freaking out. Oh my god, I ain't running up this freaking hill. Look how steep this is. Guys, there's legit a house behind me. See, you see a driveway. This should stop behind Aiden's house. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Our videos, like, it's really Aiden and Mikey. I'm dying. My breath. Guys, go subscribe to the Squad 1230 or Patrick Miller, either one. Go subscribe to Impractical Child 1. I can't remember the other guy's name on the YouTube channel. It's like random stuff. You can find it in the comment section most of the time. It's got like a green logo. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Okay, Angel Team.